Welcome back. Today we're going to get started back on the rear suspension on this truck. Got to set the pinion angle and get the Panhard bar installed, welded on. Chuck's coming over to help me today. We're going to try to make a little progress on this thing today and see what we can get knocked out. Good for now.
What?
You're going to take your brake line.
One.
To get it to come up over. You want to unhook it right there.
Oh no.
Panhard ball needs to run through.
It's gonna have to come up over the notch like so. That'll work right there. Airlines, I can unhook them. That's not a big deal. Airlines, I'm not sure. But That should be enough to set it down, get the jacket out. Well, so far I'm very pleased with how this turned out.
Sometimes you just gotta say screw it and start.
And just do it.
Start doing it.
I know.
I need to go outside and play.
Alright, so that's a wrap on this video. We got the pinion angle set, Panhard bar installed, and now we're going to move on to the compressors and tank. That's going to be on the next video. But as always, thank you for liking, commenting, watching, subscribing, all the stuff that you can do to help us grow this channel. One thing I want to mention is Chuck has started his own channel, Blue Truck Media. He's going to have all his stuff on his own channel now. So you're going to see me on this, on Stock and Drop from now on. We still working together. We'll probably be mixing and matching on each other's channels. But he kind of wanted to do his own thing, and I don't blame him. He's done an excellent job with what he's done on our channel. So if you would go give him a follow on all the social medias, YouTube, Instagram. I think he's got a Facebook page on there too. Not sure about TikTok. I haven't asked him about that, but anyway, we will see you next week when we get these compressors and tank installed in their permanent home.